Arabica or Robusta? Switch to Revelia, the easy way to taste coffee beans thanks to the interchangeable bean hoppers. Swipe through 16 customizable drinks for a perfect coffee extraction and the creamiest milk foam. Select your profile, and Revelia will remember your coffee menu through the day to make your experience unique. Adjust your favorite drink and start the immersive journey from bean to cup. 4 colors to match your style. One solution to explore the world of coffee beans. Fully automatic. And of course, perfetto. New Revelia by DeLonghi. Switch to your new coffee experience.